Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Xiaomi Redmi 9A mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or SIM slot using a picker or car pry tool. And then, by using a car pry tool, gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and then remove the board cover by undoing 11 screws. Next, take out the broken camera lens glass from the frame. Apply heat from the front side to loosen the adhesive, and then slightly push from the rear side to take out the lens. Next, place the new camera lens glass with adhesive. Next, secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and then run through the sides to secure the clips, and also add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.